All right, welcome to 7 Travelo Lane here in Media, Pennsylvania, and taking those shots. Great location, right down the street technically from I-95, easy access to the heart of Media, and again, some of the most affordable living in the area. So that being said, this unit is right there, and I'm gonna zoom up right now and show you the footprint. So obviously always do your own due diligence, but it looks like right there is additional parking. So that can be huge. We will verify that. And in general, very easy access in and out of this community. So right there to the right is the main road, 452, and that'll take you almost wherever you need to go. And that being said, there is some shopping and some restaurants right around the area. Villa Orchards is very close by. And this shot in particular is showing the adjacent neighborhood. So again, as always, take that in and see some of these drone shots for what they are and really showing the neighborhood. And this specific location is really just a quick little walk that pond. So I heard there's some geese there and just, a nice little taste of nature. Overall, when we get in the unit, I will give you the boots on the ground tour, and we'll do that momentarily. We are just gonna rotate back, show you how close you are to that office building, and we'll have some more drone footage at the end. So here we go with the boots on the ground tour. All right, here is a special listing in Media, Pennsylvania. So I'm gonna take you around. You got a large front patio. There's your main entrance. We're just gonna slide down. So you see the siding and the stonework. Very nicely done. We'll bring you back here, and then we'll go all the way around before we go inside. See the oil tank right there. And you're actually more or less in the front of the complex here. So I'll give you, just a pan so you can see what else is here. So a lot of distance in the back, which is nice. There's a shed there as well. And that is a entrance that would go right to the bedrooms. Here's your AC unit. So you can see that. We'll bring you back and take you around. It looks like there is additional parking right here. I will verify that to make sure. That's always nice. And there, that's a nice shot of it as well, showing just how big it is. I believe the office complex is right there. And then there you are. Get right off to the main road, spin you around one more time, and take you right on in. So anything else, as always, we'll add some drone footage flying in. But here we are. So now we'll head on in and give you the grand tour. So right up here, really nice. This whole area is covered. So definitely a nice porch. In we go. And you can see how nicely kept this entire house is. So behind here, you can see where the door is. We'll spin around slowly. Good sized living room. And then kitchen as well. Kitchen's the whole front of the unit. You can see full-size kitchen. Actually a true dining kitchen too, because you have plenty of room for the table. I'll take in here and just turn around. And you can get a better sense of the actual size. That's a nice touch too. So carpet looks to be in really good shape. Windows too, I think you can see better from the outside. But I'll give you the rundown. Here is that side entrance by the shed. As you can see, if you came in that way, and then we have 2 bedrooms. So bedroom 1, show you that, closet around the corner. I believe that's a full bed, I'll double check. The laundry area, full-size laundry units, that's nice in my opinion. Not a stackable unit. The main bedroom and the main bathroom. So here's the bathroom. We'll show it, there is a skylight here, and just very well kept all the way around. That is a 1-piece tub surround, so easy to clean. And good sized bathroom. Now in here, there are 2 closets. So there's the bed. I'll spin you around from here. And hopefully you get the sense of this. Closet 1, just a closet. Closet 2 actually houses the hot water heater. Or I should say just the water heater. And it's back there in that little nook. And that's the rundown. So laundry room again. I'm exiting the main bedroom. Here's the bathroom. We have bedroom number 2, and this is the heater. So get the information on that. We'll get you an updated disclosure.
And there you go. Hopefully you can see this from every angle. And I'll take you into the kitchen just one more time. Go around it. And really give you the sense before you visit here in person what it looks like. So there's the kitchen. And tell you what, I'm going to leave you with a shot of the living room and we'll take back to the Scotts.